One of India's most closely watched corporate events is happening this week, the Reliance AGM. Now, over the years, we have learned that this isn't just another shareholder meeting. This is where investors look for clues on what could drive RIL's next phase of growth. So let's start with when. Mukesh Ambani led Reliance Industries will hold its 49th AGM on June 19 at 2 pm. And this year, there are four big areas that RIL investors want more clarity on. First, no surprises, the Jio IPO. This is probably the biggest headline going into the AGM. For months now, there's been speculation around what could become India's biggest IPO. Now, investors want answers. Will the company give a timeline, any indication on when draft papers could be filed, any clues on valuation or structure? Now, recent reports suggest that Reliance may be evaluating a much larger fresh issue component instead of relying heavily on offer for sale. Second, retail business. Reliance Retail has become one of the biggest earnings contributors for the group. Investors will watch for updates on expansion, profitability, consumer demand, and the next phase of growth across grocery, fashion, electronics, and quick commerce. Third, new energy. Now, Reliance has committed billions to build a clean energy ecosystem spanning solar, batteries, green hydrogen, and energy storage. Now, the focus has shifted to execution. What progress has been made? What are the timelines? Could new partnerships be announced? These are just some of the answers that investors are looking for. And finally, the core energy business. Because even as consumer businesses grow, oil to chemicals and energy remain central to profitability. Expect commentary around refining margins, petrochemical demand, and energy transition plans. Talking about the company's business performance, for FY26, revenue crossed Rs 11.7 lakh crore, while consumer-facing businesses contributed over 55% of group EBITDA. So clearly, Reliance is gradually transforming an energy-led company into a consumer and technology-led business, which is why this AGM matters. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching.